You guys ever heard of whole brain teaching? This is an amazing way of resetting your classroom. So if you are a teacher in any public space, then you should definitely try to get this book or some of the quite old videos that are on YouTube. But subhanAllah, I wanted to share some gems from reading into this book. I received some training recently, and so it really motivated me to learn out more. So I'm just going to read to you some stuff from this book to really kind of kickstart, inshallah, your interest in whole brain teaching, but also just, inshallah, will immediately improve your attitude as a teacher and your classroom management. We don't fix kids, we fix relationships with kids. This is super important, subhanAllah. Transform kids by transforming how you relate to them. Those are a couple of parts from that chapter. It's incredible. Inefficient teaching breeds beloved rascals. So if you are disorganized, you're late, you don't have your stuff together, and this is something you already know, but this, prep the classroom, prep your things before, make sure everything is set and ready, and yourself is set and ready before children even enter the classroom. Huge, huge thing. I've seen that in my own stuff. Again, disorganized teachers breed chaotic classrooms. And this is something that he mentions here, and this is how I like to run my house too, but it's important in the classroom as well. At minimum, there should be a place for everything in your classroom, and everything should always be in the same place. One of the things that we struggle with when we're teachers is that we have children who may not have a great home environment, or they're struggling with something in their houses, and so they bring that in. You can tell that the child is discombobulated or they're acting out because of their home life. There isn't anything we can do about that as teachers, but we can provide them a safe space and an organized, orderly space that they can feel safe with for a time. And if we can be a way that the children have like a break from the chaos that's going on in their homes and other parts of their life, then that is a huge thing. And he really focuses a lot on the relationship that the teacher has with the student as opposed to the information. Although the whole brain teaching method is very effective, he does talk a lot about making sure that you're not talking so much, but that you're teaching more and really establishing a relationship with your students. Inshallah, in coming videos, I'll share more.